So we had a video where we discussed the digital marketing framework. Now I just want to quickly go over the digital marketing framework again and show you how it can be used by an insurance company. So the marketing framework has 5 components. Number 1 is traffic generation, where we are talking about who our buyer persona is, where do we get them, and where are we going to send them, in terms of which our platform do we direct them to. Then the second part is lead generation, which answers the question, how can we get clients from the traffic we are getting? What are the lead magnets? What do we exchange with our clients for them to give us our information? And by the way, the newsletter, sign up for a newsletter is not good enough for this option. It can work, but it doesn't become as effective as the other options available. Then we have lead nurturing, which is how do we convert the many leads that we've gathered into actual customers. So it answers that question. Then the next part is conversion. What do we want people to do? What action do we want them to do which adds value to our business? Then lastly is measurement improving. So you measure what's happening with everything up there so that you can make useful decision. So how can this be used by an insurance company? So I've named my example insurance company Future Care Insurance, and in our insurance company we are going to be selling different policies and investment products. So how do we generate traffic? We are going to use Google. Anybody who searches for funeral policy or life cover in one of these words, we're going to show our ads there. And we're also going to use social media, Google, Facebook, Instagram, and different social media platforms. We're also going to use Google AdWords, like the display network, showing our websites on people's phones, our ads on people's phones, and our ads on other people's websites. Then we're also going to do influence outreach. So we have different buyer personas. We have the younger people, we have the young professionals for investment products. We have the mature midlife aged people for life policies and other things. Then we are going to send all this traffic to our website and our blog. So that's traffic generation. Then number 2 is lead generation. So here we are going to give them lead magnets. We are going to exchange website visitors, contacts with insurance policy guides. How do you choose which policy works for you or doesn't work for you? What are the merits of this one and that one? So kind of in assisting them to make a good choice that's going to work for them. And then we're also going to use appointments with agencies as lead generation. So the insurance system works by you having to sign a document or agree to some contract for you to be paying your premiums. So we are going to allow our visitors to book appointments with agencies who are close to them so that we can get to meet with the agents and meet in person. So this is our way also of generating leads. We are also going to have financial management classes. So this will appeal to the young professionals who are looking forward to create a great future and want to secure themselves. So we have financial management classes. We also have family business events. A lot of businesses are family-led also, and they have challenges with continuity and having the business to go beyond one generation. So we're going to teach them how to do it and how to ensure their business so that it goes beyond one generation. We're also going to have individual investment guides and online tutorials. So this is how we are going to do lead generation. So as we give this valuable content to our visitors, we give it to them as temptations. And when they fall for those temptations, they give us the details in exchange. Then we move over to the next level, which is lead nurturing. So when a person has joined our network of potential clients, we are now going to have free online email classes. Like every week we are going to send you a financial management tip. Every week we are going to show you how the things you could do to improve your family business, kind of free email-based classes, which will come to every one of them weekly. So that's one way of nurturing them. So every week they have a reminder about Future Care Insurance and how it could help their business. We also have weekly blog posts. So we're going to cover success stories, some of our clients who have succeeded, who have good things to say. We're also going to cover tips on what they could do to improve whichever of our products they are using. And we have also, as part of lead nurturing, we are going to have discounted premiums for beginners, of course, with terms and conditions. We have testimonial sharing, also share client reviews and events attendees offers. Like when we have an event for financial management class, we offer them some kind of a special discount or premium waiver, whatever, to get them to sign up quickly as the attendees of that particular event. So this is how we are going to do our lead nurturing. So we've excited the people in lead generation. Now we are trying to kind of forcing them or moving them over to commit to become people who are paying. So in our business, we have two conversions. One is policy sign up. When they sign up for a policy, that's a conversion. When they make an investment with us, that's a conversion. So this is conversion. So one of the commonest misconception here is when people want to celebrate numbers that don't make business sense. So people want to celebrate we have 1 million people visiting our website. People want to celebrate we have 40,000 or 500,000 Facebook followers. That's fantastic. That's great. But those things don't matter to decision makers in business. So the goal of your marketing, which is kind of fused together with sales digitally, has to be core conversion. So for us, it's going to be policy signups and investment. And then we are going to measure everything else that we've been doing upwards. Is Google working for us or it's not? Is policy guides as a lead generation, is it working or it's not? Is appointments with agencies, are they working or they are not working? We're going to measure everything so that we can make decisions about those things. When you're doing lead generation, which of lead nurturing, when you're doing lead nurturing, which of our lead nurturing techniques is proving to be more useful than the other, then you make decisions. One of the mistakes people make with digital marketing is running their campaigns by gut feelings. Digitally, you don't need to have a lot of gut feelings. You can use them to initiate ideas, but as you go, you have the proof whether it's working or it's not. You have to cut some things out because they're not working. You have to add more effort on some things because they are working, but they could do better, something like that. So this is how the digital marketing framework can be used by an insurance company to get their digital marketing in place and get it effective without breaking any rules, which is one of their commonest excuses, that we are bound by so many rules. So this can be used effectively, have results without breaking any rules. Thank you for watching this. Trust never to speak. Bye-bye.